So my sister hair is gold and her hair is like pink and gold and her hair is red. And she has a natural hair black and I had a brown hair from natural again. And my sister is wearing white dress, black bag and jean. And she is wearing half pant, jean and shirt. And that my little sister is also wearing the same thing. And where is the cousin sister? I can't see her. Yeah. She's going so fast. And listen the sound of my sister. The croak is sounding like a frog. Croak, croak, croak. It's sounding like a frog.
It's irritating me.
It's irritating you. Oh.
Obviously.
This is my beautiful sister from Indore. And she
from Indore.
But you live in Indore, right?
No. Actually, I'm from Mumbai.
She live in Mumbai. So I will cut this part and I will add she live in Mumbai. And she is going alone without waiting for us.
Yeah.
She loves her solitude. Ôi giờ tìm là nhưng chứ có gửi ra nhỉ?